Namaskar friends, this is Acharya Raman here. I am going to talk about how 2021 is going to be for all the ascendants from Aries to Pisces. Saturn is transiting in the star of Sun, Jupiter is in the star of Sun, Rahu will be in Mars star and Ketu will be in Mercury star. These are the four main planets which basically decide how the world is going to be for the coming 1 year to 2.5 years depending upon the transits of the planets. And if you are running the period of these planets, then the effect are going to be maximum, otherwise the effect are not going to be so direct. We are passing through the age of Corona, so Corona is not going to go in 2021 also, and after studying the horoscopes of over 100 people, I personally came to the conclusion that Rahu is the main factor or Ketu is the main factor, because Rahu was the only thing common in those 100 horoscopes. All the people who had acquired Corona globally had Rahu running in their Dasha Bhukti Yantra, or their Dasha Lord was in Rahu star, or the Dasha Lord was conjoined with Rahu, or Rahu was sitting in the sign of that Dasha Lord. So these are the points after studying which I came to the conclusion that if you are running the period of any planet which is in the star of Rahu or sub of Rahu, or you are running if you are running the dasha of Rahu or Ketu, then be very careful. Do not go out without mask. Keep your hands sanitized. Keep washing your hands. Keep away from strangers. Do not travel until unless it is very necessary. And also at that time be very careful, very strict. Otherwise there is no way you can stop yourself from having Corona. Said this, you may be wanting to talk to me again and again, so all you have to do is one simple thing. Just go to the Play Store and download our app, Varta app, AstroSage Varta app. So you can download it and you can call me directly after refilling. So why are you waiting? Just download the app and call me. And suppose if you don't find me on the app, or maybe I am offline, so you can call our customer care. They will arrange a call within very few minutes. So now let me start the horoscope of all the 12 ascendants. So friends, now coming to Gemini horoscope 2021, coming to your family life, there is not much to be careful about your family life. It is going to be normal as such and no major issues are seen. So you can just rest assured with this part of your horoscope 2021. Coming to your love life, till April 2021, you will be having problems in your love matters. There will be breakup of many of you people. You will not be able to understand your partner in the capacity which will be required to maintain things smoothly, and thus there will be end of it. Married life will be okay this year. There will be normalcy and you will be having good understanding and communication with your spouse. You will be able to manage time for your family, which will be good at large. Extramarital affairs, okay, so you are going to have extramarital affairs. Many of you will be having extramarital affairs this year. It is something which can happen with anyone, but this year in your case it seems very much possible. Remarriage is also likely for many of you who are looking for a second spouse. Coming to your job, people with Ketu, Mars, Sun, Moon Dasha will see rise, whereas people with Saturn and Jupiter periods will not be seeing that kind of growth. In fact, many of you will be losing jobs and remain jobless for a very long time. The advice is to stick to whatever job you have and do not try to change, as it is going to turn reverse for you. Coming to your business prospects, business is going to be good for Jupiter Dasha people, but only in parts. People with Rahu Dasha will lose a lot and may get ruined completely this year. You will suffer a lot undoubtedly. People with Moon, Sun, Mars will do well. Coming to your finance, this year will bring a lot of opportunities for many of you and there will be losses to many. Do not spend your savings this year. People with Rahu Dasha should not lend money to anyone. It is not going to come back ever. Same goes with Saturn Dasha natives. For the rest, it seems to be a normal year with not much to gain or lose. Property and vehicles. Good year for investing in these things by after April only. Avoid Thursday and Saturday for making any kind of payment. Coming to the prospects of accidents in the month of February, March and June and December, you should be very careful, otherwise you may get hit very badly. So friends, this was all for horoscope 2021. Some may find it good, some may not find it very good. This is what I can come up with, seeing the rotation of the planets. If you want to talk to me, you just download the Varta app and give me a call. But first of all, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you can get all the videos from our side. As for now, Namaskar.
एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता astrosage.com के प्रमाणित और प्रीमियम एस्ट्रोलॉजर से करें कभी भी सीधे फोन पर बात। प्यार, पैसा, परिवार या कुछ और, हर सवाल का सीधा और सटीक जवाब एस्ट्रो सेज वार्ता के जरिए ज्योतिषियों को फोन लगाएं और किस्मत का साथ पाएं।